We're here with ShopRite, and we are the Situations. I'm Mike.
And I'm Lauren, and today we are gonna make our family recipe of our Pizzelle Christmas cookies. Ooh. So we have all of our bowl and basket ingredients here provided by ShopRite, and we're gonna get going. So first step is to crack our eggs. Do you wanna do the honors?
I definitely do. I love to crack eggs, actually. Let me get ready. I actually have chickens in the backyard.
Farm fresh eggs.
We do.
And then we do, next step would be to mix in our sugar. So we'll do our little whisk. I love having a helper.
Yes, I think it's good.
You're good. Okay. And then if you want to start whisking in, and I will add in the sugar for you.
Ooh, I'm the whisker as well?
Well, I could whisk.
No, I want to be the whisker.
Okay.
I mean...
I just figured you did such a great job.
I know.
You can continue.
That's always the question. Who's going to be the whisker?
Okay, ready?
Yep. Do you like my technique, honey? My whisking technique? It's nice, right?
I'm impressed.
I know.
There you go. Nice and smooth. Okay, so next step is we already melted the butter and then we let it cool in the fridge. So honey, if you wanna grab that bowl, I took it out already, of the melted butter, and we can add that right in.
Ooh, here we go.
Oh, perfect.
Okay.
Oh wait, give me all that. I'm gonna need all of it. Baking is
like... you don't wanna miss it.
Yeah. Baking's like a precise thing, you know? It's not like cooking where you want to just...
I agree, honey.
Eyeball it. Although according to my grandma, she would just eyeball it all. Okay. So then after that, if you want to throw in the vanilla, we have in the vanilla. And then we also have the secret and star ingredient, anise.
Okay, are we ready?
I'm ready. I'm ready
for... Okay.
Ooh. The best part, if you ask me.
Okay.
See, that smell smells like Christmas to me. Okay, next step is in this bowl, I already have our flour. Okay, you want to dump this in slowly.
Yep.
So that I can mix it in. So now this bowl has our flour and baking powder, all bowl and basket ingredients. And we're gonna combine the dry right into the wet like this.
Are you ready?
Yeah, go ahead, do a little at a time. I need muscles for this.
Ooh, we can switch.
I think we should switch.
You want to switch?
Yeah.
Okay, teamwork.
Teamwork makes the dream work.
Switch.
My body's doing enough work right now.
Switch. Mama Bear's pregnant. Switch.
I'll let you mix that.
Okay.
Before we end in the last few. Ready?
Yep. Okay, you can put it all in.
Put it all in.
Yeah.
Okay, you got it.
Okay.
That's the side. And yes, this is why you either have a mixer or a husband to do this part.
Yeah. I double as both. I'm the husband and also the mixer.
Thank you, honey.
You're welcome.
And then while he's mixing that, I do have our Pizzelle maker heating up, warming up. It's our little machine. It's kind of like a waffle machine, but it has a really thin, decorative plate that you drop your dough onto, and then it's super simple. Okay, so our iron is all heated up, and what you want to do is take a little ice cream scooper spoon and make sure your iron is greased so that you have a smooth surface.
Yeah, we used butter.
You should use butter. Use butter, cooking spray, whatever works for you. And you just plop it right on the center. It's a little messy, so don't be scared to get dirty.
Okay.
Just goes right on the center. And then, watch out. 1 sec. It's sticking. And then you can close. We're gonna hold it tight. Close for about 1 minute.
Okay.
You hear that sound? That's a perfect Pizzelle cooking, baking.
Yes, 'tis the season for holiday cookies, honey.
The best season of all.
Oh, I can't wait. It is like a perpetual cheat day for the month.
Oh yes, like the few months, right?
Yes, it's definitely, for me, it's November, December, and January sometimes, to be honest with you.
Yeah. Yeah. January is also my birthday and our daughter's birthday now too. Ooh. So yeah, the holiday season extends for us, for our household. So lots of cookies, lots of baking, lots of cooking.
It's the best time of the year.
It is. It truly is.
All right, honey, I think we are getting close.
I'm gonna peek. So you're allowed to peek. You wanna just kind of wait. But I have a feeling, a few more seconds. I go off the feeling.
Oh my goodness.
Perfection.
Perfection.
So then you take your spatula to kind of just lift it up softly because they're super thin.
Look how pretty that is.
Fragile with them, handle with care, and let them dry.
Oh my goodness.
And then you just repeat the process.
Yep.
Super simple, and they come out delicious every time. This is a little packed.
Okay, I think we need a little more on this side.
I know, I think I do need a little more there. 1 sec, it's sticking to me. Gotta wait a sec.
What's happening?
Thanks.
Are we ready?
Yes.
Okay.
Gotta hold it.
Okay, that is the sound of the
happiness.
Of happiness. Yes. Oh my goodness. Okay, and now pretty much the time clock has started for 1 minute.
And these cookies are really great. I mean, come on. These cookies are great with anything, but what I really love these cookies with is like a cup of coffee, a cappuccino. They're just like that perfect, light, airy.
And the kids love
Christmas
them because
flavor.
they're just so pretty to look at.
They're beautiful.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
And they feel like air when you're eating them.
4, 3, 2, it's happening. Let's try.
Oh! So these ones are a little golden.
I love me a golden brown cookie. Look at that.
Nothing wrong with that.
Look at that. Ah.
So we'll do one more, and then we'll get a nice little tray to compile them all together and just see how beautiful they look.
You want to put more on this one?
I know, but last time you did that, they got a little, you got to close it fast. All right, go.
Okay.
I think that's why that got brown.
Ready, set, go.
It's a fast cookie. Once you start going, they start coming like real fast.
And to be honest with you, it's also fun to make these.
Yes.
As you know, there's no I in team. We're working together here, and they come out looking so pretty. The kids love them, and it's now our family tradition.
Yep.
Hold on a second.
Open.
Okay, 5, 4.
Open.
3, 2. Perfection. See? Look at that.
They go fast.
Honey, I think we've done this before.
Perfect.
Okay.
And then we'll get a nice little tray to display. And I'm gonna make one more batch, I think.
Okay.
While I'm here.
I'm going to, oh, I don't even need to use the spatula. They are perfectly.
I would leave the ones I just took off though, so they cool.
No, they're okay.
Oh yeah?
They're very transferable at this moment. Ooh, nice. And warm and golden brown.
Just, you like it. They look amazing.
Wow.
Keep that one closed. I'm gonna wash my hands real quick.
Okay.
And then we could taste test.
Okay, honey, I think this one's ready. 5, 4, 3, 2, and surprise.
Ooh. Okay, so last one. Perfect, great
nice.
job.
And fluffy those ones are.
Let's set this
perfect
to
size.
The side. And
okay.
Let's do a taste test.
Okay, hold on. I'm gonna unhook this machineries. Move it over slightly. Okay. Okay, this is so pretty, honey. I think we should like lift this up and take a photo with it. It's just so pretty. Are you ready? Smile, honey. Okay, are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, let's take one, and you take one.
Okay.
And
cheers. Oh, we're doing that?
yeah.
Okay. That is delicious.
I would have to say that is situation improved.
Wow.
Yeah.
These are really delicious. So that's our Pizzelle family recipe. We got all of our ingredients from our local ShopRite, which included all bowl and basket products.
Exactly, and happy holidays, guys, from the Situations in ShopRite stores.